Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a video on social issues project. This project is for 10th standard and is given by CBSE as summer holiday homework. This year CBSE gave 3 options for project file making as social science homework. They are consumer awareness, sustainable development and social issues. My topic is social issues. So let's start with my project. First of all comes the acknowledgement, then certificate, index, then introduction, what are social issues, examples of social issues, poverty, overpopulation, unemployment, illiteracy, corruption, caste system. Now let's start with the first topic, that is poverty. What is poverty? Effects of poverty, consequences of poverty, and steps taken by the government to reduce poverty. Then comes the second topic, that is overpopulation. What is overpopulation? Causes of overpopulation, consequences of overpopulation, and steps taken by government to control overpopulation. Then is the third topic, that is unemployment. What is unemployment? Effects of unemployment, consequences of unemployment, and steps taken by government to combat unemployment. Then are the other 3 topics, illiteracy, corruption and caste system. Then comes the conclusion, and in the last is the bibliography. With this our project ends, and now I would like to tell you the 2 ways to make this project based on social issues. The first type in which you can make the social issues project is that you may pick any one of the social issues and explain it in brief, that it covers almost 10 to 15 pages and the rest are acknowledgement, etc. And the second way is that you take 6-7 examples like I took and write them in 4 to 5 pages each, and this way you can make this project based on social issues. If you want to copy some information from my project, I have put the link of this project in the description. Thanks for watching. If you like to watch my videos, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.